Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my simple everyday makeup look. First things first, I'll moisturize my face before I put any products on. Next, I'll go in with my brow brush and brush up my brows for a very easy outline. I don't do too much to my brows, I just fill them in with a pencil until it looks okay, just darker than normal. I'll also repeat the same thing on the other brows, then I'll blend in the brow products. To clean up my brows, I'll use a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone under my brows and my basic foundation above my brows and on my forehead. After my eyebrows, I'll use my primer to make my skin smooth and ready for the foundation. I'm going to use the same concealer I used for my eyebrows under my eyes. This is the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. It really brightens up my face. I'll use the concealer to also highlight under my cheekbones and my chin. So important in makeup. I always spend most of my time blending the products together. After all that blending, I'll set the concealer with a lighter shade of loose powder. I'll then use my face powder from Maybelline to dust off the excess loose powder. For contouring, I usually mix those 2 dark shades together to give my face more definition. For blush, I'm going to be using this orange shade here. Then I'll go in with my pressed powder to blend all the products together. I'll keep the eyes very simple with a 2-toned metallic look and some mascara. everyday lip combo. I'm going to use a brown lip liner and a pink nude gloss. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed my simple everyday makeup look. And see you in the next one. Bye.